Are you feeling lucky? Well, are you, punk? Hello, you young whippersnappers. My name is Ron from Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. How's it going? And today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 20 tutorial on a laser gun effect. So, my recording software out of the way. Okay, so here's the video we're using here. Let's double click this as this timeline. Right click, properties, disable resample. Let's go insert view track. That's me for the sound effect, or for the effect. So let's play this back. Let's get down here. Okay, here's the sound effect here. Let's play this back. What we're going to do here is when we're playing back, we're going to hit the M on the keyboard. So let's play this back. This here is a phase plasma pistol in the 20-watt range. It can cleanly blow off your head from your body. You have to ask yourself one question. Are you feeling lucky? Well, are you, punk? Yeah, I want to know too early on there. Okay, so now we have two markers on the timeline. The first one is a little whack. Let's put this right there. Let's bring down the boo. These are for my production crate. Let's bring down this laser beam from production crate. Let's bring this down. And put over the first marker. Right click. Properties. Media. So it gives you an MOV file. So it's straight on matter. Okay, so that's where track motion now. And that's rotation on this. Let me just do this, just not 100%, guys, just so you get an idea how it works. And drag this to fix. Right there. That was pretty good. Let's go to the track motion. Please back. Like something like this. Are you feeling lucky? Well, are you, punk? So it has its own sound effect to this clip. I'll put links in the description to where you can get these on production crate, and they're free download. Alright, so let's click on this. Let's hit U, and let's delete the audio track. Try this new sound effect out. You can do it like this. So you can experiment with this. I'm just giving you an idea of how it's done. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below.